What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little bit of big red mud fun. It's been storming a lot down here in Florida, so I figured after one of the rainstorms we'll go down and check out one of the local retention ponds and see if we can get the trike all muddied up. So we got a couple of minutes of me playing around in a little local mud hole and just kind of getting dizzy, having fun. Hope you guys enjoy this kind of stuff. Leave a comment down there. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, slap around that like button. It's free, only takes a second. It really helps out the channel. Any kind of content, communication, shares, all that kind of stuff really helps push the channel. You guys watch these things all the way to the end because you never know what I'm going to stick in these things. It really helps out the videos also. We want these videos to get out to as many people as we can, so support, share, like, all that fun stuff. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And always make sure you wash these things off after you're done playing in the mud. You don't want to keep that stuff on your bike. It'll just get in there and ruin things. Have a great one, guys.